This location, they love tackies. And I still have to put the card reader on this machine. I'm like slacking on that.
One eternity later.
It's perfect for my ASMR video.
Today's gonna be a jam-packed day. We're filling up vending machines today. We might collect, and we're putting a card reader on the vending machine. We're at location number 1, guys, and it's time to go fill up this vending machine. Yo, so we racing against the time. Sorry if I'm talking super fast, but I'm going to put the card reader. Show them the box. Show them the box.
What's in the box?
Got my tools over here. Remember, if you're trying to put a card reader, gold tips. The card reader's in this box somewhere. So I'm gonna put this card reader on this machine. My brother's gonna fill up this machine, and let's go.
Wow. Who installed it?
So, Dixie, so she really taped this down. It's plastic, so.
Hey, what's that drill bit called again?
This one, I don't remember the exact name. It's like an auger bit.
An auger bit? Okay.
Auger, but yeah, they're expensive.
That's really fast.
Well, it's, it's plastic.
It's plastic too, though.
It's plastic.
I feel like it's convenient though for like
Yeah, it's very simple. So, yeah, this is the way it's going to sit. These are just the panel screws that I'm putting back in.
So I took all the nuts. I was like, can I take off the panel? But it wasn't working.
That's why there's screws sitting down there. That was you?
Yeah.
Screw.
Let me back in. I'm just going to have electrical tape on. I'm going to tape. Thing with this one, we're only going to be able to use 2 screws, unfortunately, but this one.
So guys, we're here. The card reader is mounted onto the vending machine. It looks amazing. We just have to call Nayax because this one is not active for some reason. I'm not sure why, but we have to figure that out. In terms of card readers, you have to make sure that the machine is MDB compatible or it does not take card reader. Keep that in mind when you guys are doing that. So let's go.